little bit of, just in case, so no one sits on it.
Oh, hey, you almost punched me in the face.
Too late to take the snow off.
Yo, that's just about flying. Good morning, guys. Today I am so hyped. We're getting some more parts for the R34. This time we're actually getting the body parts, so from bumper, side skirts, all that good stuff. Actually ordered it, so two things I'm worried about. Hopefully they're not broken, and second of all, hopefully we can actually get it because I had it shipped over from the UK. Shout out to Monkey London. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to get this right. Oh, it's actually pretty warm in here, so that's not too bad. Hold on, let me lower this down. So what we were thinking of is actually, because this was an older model, thinking about just putting a seat right in there. I'm hyped. I'll show you guys what kind of kit it is. Still waiting for Kendrick and Adrian. All right, Adrian just came. We just got one of his S13 seats. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, dude, we are good.
Shit, go.
Get like a harness and you got yourself a seatbelt. So now we're just waiting for Kendrick. And then actually get, I don't know if you need your passport or what for the port, but had to get some documents and stuff. All right.
Make sure he's not an immigrant.
All right, we got Kendrick out here, the donut man, of course. Look at this right here. Open it. Okay.
Ooh, 3 seats.
Oh!
Damn.
Isn't that legit?
It's fancy.
And it's nice and warm in there.
Yeah, you're gonna fit 3 people in there?
Uh-huh.
That seat, I'm gonna go through the windshield.
All right, negativity. All right, we're gonna be legit. Need me to shoot through this side?
There's hooks over
Are you
there.
good? Oh, really?
Yeah, how
Nice.
It's meant for that.
Yeah, they knew it.
Yep.
This dude trying to kill us.
Oh, we're doing the speed limit. That's kilometers. Look at this dick.
So we made it to the port, right? But we're like straight up lost.
Exactly.
Tony spoke with a seagull a second ago. And they told us to go down this way.
That's a cop car, so we're gonna wait for him.
Yeah. You gonna ask him? Yeah. Or that bird over there?
This is a one-way, you can't go this way.
Is this?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're gonna get a ticket instead. Talking about, oh wow, that plane is coming down real close. Oh, we're about to watch an accident. Oh, god damn it, they didn't hit. This dude is legit just asking people like where to go. The road closed sign's in my way. He's like, hey, I gotta find Skyline parts. Have you guys seen them? Have you seen any Skyline parts? Yeah. No. Maybe? He's about to get killed and it's gonna be on video.
Oh,
but it'll go viral.
They're over there. He said all of them are over there.
He's talking to everybody.
He's talking to every
He's like, where do I find the port? Maybe people asking him where they find the port now because everybody's lost today.
all the seagulls are lost.
The seagulls is who we need to ask. They hear every day.
But if you guys didn't notice, it was a bus going to the port. It ended up being closed, which I don't know why, because they said that they were going to be open for me to pick it up, but obviously they weren't, so now I gotta wait a whole nother 2 days before I could go over there. Kendrick and I are gonna go and pick it up early in the morning, and we'll make another trip over to the port. But for now, just gonna go chill in here. A long journey and made it to John's shop. Just had to show you guys this nice Pulsar GTIR. Yo, this is what we need. All-wheel drive. Throw that RB25 in there. Look at this. If you guys remember seeing this, got English Johnny out here. We got Eric out here. Look what he has a new power transplant. RB25. What is this? Series 1, Series 2? Series, you know? 2, yeah. Series 2. Oh yeah. Old TA18. Did you sell it already or no?
Yeah.
You got it sold?
To my mate Ryan.
Nice.
He bought it from me.
Hell yeah.
Just gotta come pick it up. When
You hyped on it? You hyped on this? Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
You guys,
good.
it's so clean in here. For those of you that don't remember, look at this. Woo! Oh my god, I love these seats. I love these seats.
Put some triple eights on there, you know what I'm
Ooh,
saying?
yeah, I know. I saw you put some a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it went from
Good.
195.50 to 225.50.
50?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got a deal on it, so.
Yep. Dude, it looks good. Looks so good.
It should make, I don't know. I'm looking to make around, I don't know, 450-ish.
Yeah, oh dude, that'll be perfect. We got Frank's right here. Making about 1,300 to the wheels. Oh. Gotta clean this. Yeah, I saw when Lauren put up a picture.
35. I'm
So
debating
good.
on getting
The modification to do it from.
Right, see this is the big slots.
Oh, right.
And that's the Gen 2, so it's got the 10 fans in there. Many
Damn.
fins.
biggest fan.
It's so loud.
Yeah, it was
Oh, I can't wait to hear this. Look how legit this thing is. This is what I wanted to see ever since you told me about it. This is so awesome. I think I'd spend all my own money on it.
The thing is, if you spend your own money on it.
Yeah, they're both sponsored, boys. Woo. Yeah, it looks so legit.
What's up, guys? So this is part 2 of trying to get Tony's parts from Boston. First fail of the day, my truck wouldn't start. Second fail, we gotta rent this van again, and it gets stuck.
It got stuck. It's literally like maybe 3-4 degrees outside, not even joking.
Alright, so now we're just bringing it into the shop to de-ice it, add a third seat, and then off to Boston.
Yeah.
Alright, third seat, installed. Just kidding, guys. S13 seat mod, fits good, fits really good. It's comfortable too. No one would ever even know.
Yeah, we're looking for this like all day yesterday.
Yeah, last time we came here, we couldn't find what we were doing. Receiving entrance. Alright, you gotta park right in front of the stairs? Yep. We gotta get a ticket.
You guys are staying here, right?
Yeah, we'll stay here. Finally made it. Tony's gonna go talk to some more seagulls. Alright, we'll see you later. Alright, let's leave.
Insert Austin Powers music.
For real.
Well,
we're making it.
7.
No, we're making it. This parking lot's all ice. We got lucky we didn't get stuck.
Crazy. Oh, and it's like -3 out.
Yeah, it is.
All right, everything is like filled.
Look at this luxury. It's got a backup cam. You can't really see.
I'm a truck driver, guys.
Hey.
Oh, I was like, yo, how am I going so fast? But he was leaving.
Yeah.
All right.
Just wait here and then go and tell the lady.
Yeah.
Change the language. Just, I think I'll do that. I'm gonna do. All right, let's see if Tony notices, because I think we'll just leave it. Yeah, whatever that means. We'll be good. All right, let me know. Let me know. I'm a truck driver. Adrian, I'm gonna take your legs out. You good? We good? If you guys are in the Northeast, you already know what's going on. This is all ice. It's all ice. We're gonna die. But what did we get? There it is.
There it is. I don't know. Hopefully, like we said, hopefully it's not broken. The fenders better be in there. I'll be so upset the fenders aren't in there. That's the main thing I wanted. The fenders.
Yeah.
Most expensive part.
For real.
I drive up. The fiberglass, the parts to me to the bay, and there was a guy in front of him, and he literally dropped the package, went in reverse. I'm like, yeah! I'm like, oh my god.
Wow.
Almost hit him. Almost, that's it. All the parts would have been done.
Oh, so the guy backing up the forklift was gonna hit your parts.
Yep. Dude,
Holy
so
shit.
close.
Holy shit.
The older guy went, but didn't say nothing.
He just put his
He put his hand. And I said, I didn't do nothing. I went, yo!
They would have paid for your shit. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, too late to take the snow off.
Yep, that shit's about to fly.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
It's gonna happen.
Alright, so we're back. I just gotta do a little bit of something because we unloaded it. Open that, the potential hood. We don't even know what we got, so.
This is legit straight cardboard.
Well, safe.
A safe piece of cardboard and metal. Yeah, make sure you don't cut through and scratch your scratch what you got. Oh, you know what's so cool? The coolest thing I've seen so far? Right here. It says Kuro Lifestyle.
It says it here too if you want to show them here. Block
Hey.
this out.
Cool lifestyle. That is so cool. GTR Do USA. I don't even know what
Don't
that
come to my
does it say?
address and steal all my sandwiches, by the way.
Dang blocked out the address, so they're not coming.
Damn,
I enjoy my sandwiches.
Tonight. What is it, Schmucker, TV and Jet?
Hell yeah. That's all.
Whoa, I see fins and the vents. Holy shit, this is sick.
Oh boy! I mean, it's not too bad right here.
Yeah, you got light?
Yeah, I got you. Ready? Oh! I got you. Ready?
Take two. Boom.
Bam! Tony's gotta edit that out.
Actually, check it out.
I'm that kind of guy that goes straight to PayPal.
It actually looks like one of those rigs.
Oh, I have a nice rig right here.
What's going on, guys? Right now here, all the parts that come in and out of our shop, we thoroughly inspect them. We have 2 to 4 certified inspectors on the premises at all times. You know, our inspection team works, you know, countless hours working hard and making sure we have quality parts that come in and out of the building.
Just lift this straight.
Oh, this is sick.
Now you got a Fox
Car.
This is what he needs.
For real, I know.
That actually looks pretty badass.
Oh, dude, it's so sick.
Hell yeah, right? It looks pretty good.
Here, dang, use my knife.
Documented anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, you almost punched me in the face. What'd you find?
Fenders!
Oh, those fenders? Damn, you're cutting kind of hard right through your fenders.
What made you suspicious that they might not be in there?
This looks so small. This package looked mad small to
I
us.
just thought it was gonna be like a big.
Wow, spray paint caps? I like that. The can caps?
Ooh.
Genius. Write that down. It's so hard to see. Oh, there it is. Sweet. Wow, you like that?
I like that.
Oh, that's good.
Because everybody that does this conversion never puts those lights on.
Oh, awesome.
They don't want to drill through it.
See, I have an S13 and like, I don't know. I don't know this cool stuff. You do a lot of research for your Skyline.
You know, pretty thick too. Yeah.
Don, what else did you find? What is that? What are those? Whoa, for the rear tail lights?
Oh, I did not expect this. Yeah.
That is so sick.
Oh, you know why? Rear quarters, rear bumper is wider.
Wow, dude, they took care of you.
Yeah, it's,
Damn, Tony, you might have a sick car. Fitment coming soon, who knows? These might not fit. And then we'll just tape them on Dang's car.
You got the Impala tail covers.
What's going on?
I did not expect this at all. I just saw it. Dude,
What?
came with a GTR spoiler.
You're lying. Whoa! Yo, that's so sick. You don't even know what you ordered.
I think I was ready to buy a fake one anyway.
Yeah.
That's
Wow.
Like $400 from China, dude. That was good.
All right, shift it over to the right. Over to the right some. Oh, wow. Oh,
Damn.
that's cool. You're cool,
All right,
Tony.
you guys, we wanted to do metal everything, but I reached out to this company and they were like, oh, we can do a pretty, well, one of the best kits. And shout out to Kruger, go online. It is CROOOOO, I think it's like 40 BER, it's Up Garage, pretty much shipping Up Garage from Japan.
Yeah, it's got some pretty good quality stuff, and we got stuff we did not expect to get,
For real.
but they do it in there. Fucking awesome. Thanks, guys.
Dude, this was, yo.
Look,
What did you just point out?
I was looking at it, I was like, I
I was
noticed it
looking
was
at it,
both
it was
of
like
us, so I'm like, hey, is this like a lip?
Whoa.
Surprise after surprise.
Yo, this is better
When I
than
read the
Christmas.
description, When I ordered, I did not see like all this listed.
Wow.
You know me with directions.
Yeah, I know. You just read right past it. Yeah. He saw the picture and the price, and he had the cart.
Oh wait, it's taped on.
Oh, it's taped up. Yeah. Whoa! Wow, that is so sick.
Awesome. Dude, we're
That
putting
is
it on
so
just like this.
awesome. Wow.
Hell,
I love this. Holy crap.
That's cool as hell.
Yo, get at his job. All right, let's put this on your car.
Nice.
Oh damn! This is the part. All right, we spoke too soon. It's a little broken right here. Oh.
Yeah.
It could be worse. It could be broken.
It's all right. It's all right.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
If you guys didn't already, be sure to grab yourself a hoodie. Oh yeah. I'm not wearing one because it's so fire that they sold out. No, but definitely get one. So we got all the pieces. Shout out to Radical Tuning out in the UK, Ireland, I believe. Kruger as well. Like I said, if you haven't checked them out, definitely go check them out. They got super low prices. Like I got bumper lights. I got a bunch of parts for the Skyline. It was like maybe altogether 30-40 bucks shipped each item. But definitely check them out. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna be test fitting all this stuff. Finishing Kadeem's car. Kendrick's car is already done. Dame's car, still working on it and everything. But till next time, guys.
Till next time.